Hey superstar, welcome. If you're a regular returning supporter, a day one subscriber, thank you very much for joining. And if you're new here, hi, hello, welcome, and thank you for tuning in. Today we are looking at the best hair growth oil in the world, herb infused oil, weed for hair growth. What they don't tell you guys. By the way, I'm maryamkapama. Be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you can be notified every time I do an upload. CBD is a short of cannabis oil. CBD has been shown to be quite effective dealing with several ailments and illness in the body simply because the body accepts them naturally. CBD is extracted from marijuana plant. For the ingredients, we're going to be using neem oil to make this amazing CBD oil. So we're going to infuse the CBD. Actually, we're going to be using the seeds, the marijuana seeds, to infuse them to the oil. Feel free to use any penetrating oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, you can use rice grain oil, you can use coconut oil, any penetrating oil of your own choice that you have access to. This thing is so flexible. Also, there's so many benefits when it comes to the use of this infused CBD oil. First of all, they're going to strengthen your hair. They're going to combat damage and rebuild the collagen and enhance elasticity of your hair. So you're going to notice your hair fuller, thicker, and voluminous. Also, when you wash it, it's going to be super shrinky because the elasticity will be amazing, and that's how we determine a healthy hair. So this CBD oil is something you should really try. With over 21 amino acids, the CBD adds shine to your hair and protect your hair from the effects of the sun or even heat damage. Makes your hair color last longer. And I'm not talking if you're color treated, no. I'm talking of the natural color of your hair. It's going to add volume, thickness with the power of the omega 3, omega 6, and omega 9s that are present in the CBD oil. This CBD is really amazing. It's going to protect your hair and prevent your hair from frizzy and other pollutants that are caused by environmental damages like the free radicals that usually clogs your hair follicles, with the help of the vitamin E, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Not to mention how the benefits of CBD oil will help your hair grow and flourish because they usually enhance the circulation of blood in your scalp. So your scalp is going to be super healthy. If you're getting value, please press the like button and comment the word CBD down in the comment. I'll so much appreciate you, because with that you're going to help a girl out with the YouTube algorithm. That being said, you're a real superstar. I'm encouraging you to really try this CBD oil because personally I have tried it and my hair is getting thicker and fuller. So how we're going to infuse these seeds into the oil, we're adding these seeds into the bottle with our oils. We're going to be taking it to the sun, usually for over 15 to 30 days. Those seeds are going to sink down in the bottle. That means they are going to give out their properties slowly by the temperature from the sun. So be sure to add add it and take it out to the sun. Don't use high heat, don't cook it, no, just put the bottle in the sun. At least 30 days, 15 to 30 days, they'll be already good to be used. So what you see here is the bottle of mine that I made. This is a mix of neem and the seeds from the marijuana plant, and these are not yet, they're halfway there, so it's already day 15, and I just wanted to wrap up this video, so I just choose to show you guys. But I'm going to keep on keeping it in the sun, and when this bottle is over, the seeds are going to stay down there, so I'll be adding more oil into the bottle just to reap on the benefit of the seeds. That's how we infuse these seeds to the oil. That being said, superstar, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed until this point. I so much appreciate you, and click the bell notification so you get notified every time I do an upload. That being said, you're a real one. Hope you liked this video. I hope this video was helpful. Remember, CBD is used by professional doctors for people with hair thinning and serious scalp issues. So I just told you this CBD is something you should really give it a try. I so much appreciate you for watching this video to the very end. Be sure to click the video on the screen so you get to see how to make your own neem oil. And neem is packed with a lot of nutritious benefit. First of all, it's one of the Ayurvedic herb, and as you already know, Ayurvedic is very powerful when it comes to hair growth. So be sure to click the video right over on the screen, and I'll see you guys in that video. Bye bye.